it's Tia. Today I'm sharing one of our favorite super fast weeknight meals, pizza margherita in the air fryer. This is great for solo dinners. It's also really family friendly. Everyone can add their own toppings. It assembles quickly and it averages only about 6 minutes to cook. For this version, I'm using prepackaged naan breads as the crust, but at the end I'll show you another variation with a different type of crust we use. Okay, let's jump in. For the ingredients for this version, you'll need stone fire naan breads. They typically come in the 2-packs. I got the family 6-pack. Some shredded mozzarella, some pizza sauce of your choosing. We really like this Mids brand. Some fresh mozzarella, Roma tomatoes, and fresh basil. For the air fryer, I'll show you a screenshot of the one that we have. It is probably one of the most popular ones on Amazon. It's the Cosori 5.8 quart. I got this 2 years ago in the Prime sale and we love it. I will link it below. Okay, now we just want to prep the ingredients. Slice the tomatoes and the fresh mozzarella. I did a thin chiffonade cut on the basil, but you can always leave the basil leaves whole if you prefer. So here are the naan crusts. One optional step is to brush them with garlic butter. I just took some Kerrygold and some squeezed garlic, but you could use garlic powder or garlic granules or fresh garlic, whatever you have on hand. And then I just microwaved it and mixed it up. And then just give it a nice brush over the tops of each of the naan breads. And now it's just time to assemble. Spread out the sauce and the shredded mozzarella and just add the rest of your toppings. Sliced tomatoes, sliced fresh mozzarella, and the fresh basil. Now you're going to want to do another light sprinkle of the shredded mozzarella on top, and this is going to act as a glue for your toppings, and I will show you why. Hence the name air fryer, things can go flying. Here is a turkey pepperoni pizza I made, and I went to check it after 3 minutes, and wait for it. Yeah, so you're definitely going to want to put that layer of mozzarella on top just to secure your toppings. Okay, to the basket of the air fryer, I did a spray of olive oil spray, and I used the built-in preheat function on this particular air fryer that is 400 degrees for 5 minutes, but you can either use those settings on your own, or if you have a specific preheat function for your air fryer, then use that. After preheating, then carefully place your pizza inside the basket. Now I set this air fryer for 400 degrees for 6 minutes. I do check it throughout, which I encourage you to do as well. This is after 3 minutes, and then this is after 6 minutes. The doneness of the pizza can really be influenced by many factors: temperature of your ingredients or how long you preheated it. Also your personal preference of how cooked you like it. So please keep an eye on it while cooking and just adjust accordingly. And here is the finished pizza plated. Now, if you really want to kick it up, you can give it a balsamic drizzle. This is the Alessio Balsamic Reduction we got at Target. It's a little bit lighter and on the sweet side, so it's pretty family friendly. And here it is, all cut and plated and drizzled with the Balsamic Reduction, and that's it. Now, I told you I would show you another variation on the crust. If you can't find the naan crusts or you don't want to use them, we use these Boboli mini crusts often. They come in a 2-pack. Also, you can see this fresh mozzarella that is pre-sliced. That's another great time saver. As you can see, the mini Bobolis fit perfectly inside this air fryer. And here's a finished pizza with the Boboli crust and the pre-sliced mozzarella. Oh, hello. We haven't forgotten about you. Don't forget to do your balsamic drizzle. It really does kick it up and take it next level. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like and subscribe for more time-saving content. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.